it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica came here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with DJ Khaled, yes? Vybz Cartel, the teacher. Gargamel, Buju Banton. Warlord, Bounty Killer. Anyway, Mr. Reed McCoy, Mavado, all on one track, yeah? Them all up on one track with You Remind Me, yeah? Official music video, produced by DJ Khaled. So you know it's a big production. This video is about 7 minutes long, so I can jump in it when I waste some time. Yeah, You Remind Me. All right, let's get it. We the best. Big up. Your video clean your fuck. Okay.
Buju Banton.
Okay.
As we enter inside King Kong, reminds me.
Vybz Cartel. We the best music.
Blessings to all the ladies.
Another one again. DJ Khaled.
You remind me of summer. Shine so bright in nightclub, girl. Why them hate you, I wonder. Pretty like the girls on the magazine cover. Girl, you are the best, tell everybody I love her. Why you little waist to the dance hall bubble. Make me feel mushy, want kiss up and cuddle.
When you walk out, everybody have to look. Wind up your body, girl, lift up 1 foot. On a
Yo, this give me chills just for see Gaza and Gully on one bumbo clad track for 2025. In a music video.
As we enter inside King Kong, reminds me.
Let's go, we the best. Only you
we the best music.
No money spent on this. No money spent on this.
Blessings to all the ladies.
Bumbo clad.
Another one again. DJ Khaled.
You remind me of summer. Shine so bright in nightclub, girl. Why them hate you, I wonder. Pretty like the girls on the magazine cover. Girl, you are the best, tell everybody I love her. Why you little waist to the dance hall bubble. Make me feel mushy, want kiss up and cuddle.
When you walk out, everybody have to look. Wind up your body, girl, lift up 1 foot. On a rhythm, you're somebody. Khaled, you a cook. Tick tock, girl.
Oh, that rhythm is so bad. Hey, Khaled, you are what? I'm say crook.
The girl lift up 1 foot. On a rhythm, you're somebody. Khaled, you a cook. Tick tock, girl, tick tock, that good. Broke it and set it and broke it, get good. At the inner,
broke it and set it and broke it up. Good. Yeah! Oh, your blood clap. Yo! Yo! Thrills. Classic. Can't pass Cartel verse all now. I want one. We know your government verse into the dog. Our father verse enough.
Buju Banton.
As we enter inside King Kong, reminds me.
Vybz Cartel. We the best music.
Blessings to all the ladies.
Another one again. DJ Khaled.
You remind me of summer. Shine so bright in nightclub, girl. Why them hate you, I wonder. Pretty like the girls on the magazine cover. Girl, you are the best, tell everybody I love her. Why you little waist to the dance hall bubble. Make me feel mushy, want kiss up and cuddle.
When you walk out, everybody have to look. Wind up your body, girl, lift up 1 foot. On a rhythm, you're somebody. Khaled, you a cook. Tick tock, girl, tick tock, that good. Broke it and set it and broke it, get good. At the inner your ear, straight vibes in your mouth. It's a favor, our love can't run out.
Add the inner your ears, straight vibes in your mouth. Me surprised say I can't tell start that song as though.
At the inner your ear, straight vibes in your mouth. It's a favor, our love can't run out.
Anytime you have any doubt, what this song that me knows about.
You remind me. Slowly me want you take time and wine. Want you possess girl is a also mine. Never met a girl so gorgeous, I'm a wine. What you possess, girl, is also mine. Never met a girl so gorgeous and fine. Ever so often I've got to remind you that oh me touch you, squeeze up on your fat. I'm real Jamaican, solid like a rock. Treat her like a queen, no cap. Some girl good, some girl average, some girl a crap. Grip on the muscle, tell you no joke.
Some girl good, some girl average, some girl a crap, some girl not.
On your fat, I'm real Jamaican, solid like a rock. Treat her like a queen, no cap. Some girl good, some girl average, some girl a crap. Grip on the muscle, tell you if it like that. Remember, Buju love you when we love you. Can't stop when you wine go down and then come up back. Turn and you twist and turn man in a idiot. Them a run off them out and enough and them a chant. Only girl them a bubble and a sure. And you remind me when you sit down for my lap. Oh, you love me and you treat me like a notch.
Yeah.
Man. So the goalie got the on the last verse. The goalie got get the last. He weird now, man.
Girl, you're stuck in me mind. You a goal, you a goddess. But girl, you a body, you're the baddest like a million calic. When you put your curves on it, girl, me device connect. You a body, you're the baddest like a million calic. When you put your curves.
But they look fake, mama. Fake. Chat, what wanna say? Comment section, I wanna say that. But they fake.
You a goddess. But girl, you a body, you're the baddest like a million calic. When you put your curves on it, girl, me device connect. She a 10 hacks calic. Give me your fit, tell you this. Your body of the killer, I reminisce. About the first days like Genesis.
The killer, David, you fuck. The man voice a load, brother.
Give me your fit, tell you this. Your body of the killer, I reminisce. About the first days like Genesis. Benefit the benefit. Girl, it's just me and you together. Good memory. You a bad man, I sing melody.
Girl, you have bad man, I sing melodies. Yeah, girl, you have bad man, I feel mushy like you want cuddle. Hey, girl, you have bad man, I feel some type of way. Hey, girl, how you do this to me? Had that me one more. Hey, girl, how you do this to me? Blood clot, yeah, girl, come here. Come sit down on a chair. Blood clot. Alright, let's go.
It's just me and you together. Good memory. You a bad man, I sing melody.
Yeah. You remind me.
Girl, just wash off that sexy body and take a naked picture for my eyes.
Melody Bumbo Clock God, see me. Melody God, see me.
Just wash off that sexy body and take a naked picture for my eyes.
For my eyes, just for my eyes only. Something where you can't post on WhatsApp status or display picture. Just for my eyes only.
Sexy body and take a naked picture for my eyes. For my eyes. She no really love nobody. She wicked and she know fi make man cry. Make man cry. Back it up, make me see. She move the left cheek, right cheek. She got the stallion body for the street. She move the left cheek, right cheek.
Keep going.
More to she say my African fit.
The man say, yo, keep going. We're not done yet.
Right cheek.
Keep going.
More to she say my African fit. Me can't feel complete. I feel tight and it a feel unique. Clean skin girl with good underneath. Your body wet and it a drip on the sheet. Me come in on your belly when your skin it out deep.
Yes, you remind me. I want you to tell the world.
I never had a love like this in my life, and that's no lie.
Only Khaled alone could have do this. No other producer in Iran could have do this. Khaled alone could have do this.
I love the way you keep it together, so I fall for you every time. And only heaven knows how long I've waited for a love that feels so right. All my life, yeah. And heaven knows that I was looking, searching for a sign, yeah. But there's always something there to remind
Jamaica,
me.
Miami, New York, London, England, Brooklyn, Africa, Ghana, Riados, Trinidad, St. Lucia, Bahamas, Haiti, Anguilla, St. Martin, Jeddah, Alula, Riyadh, Dior, Puerto Rico, Belize.
You remind me.
I'm out.
Lord clot. What on the man? Everybody get them credit just so. Well, alright, big up all the people that get them credit. Another one. I thought something like that.
Clowns disappear and fools disperse.
Rise everything and get the place on.
No explanation.
DJ Khaled.
Gunshot bounce ricochet off a wall. Ow, for name them rental. There can be no other way.
There can be no other way. You know, it's Gargamel, Bumbo Clot, do them boy, yeah. Gunshot ricochet off a wall. You know, crack skull like coconut, you know.
Them rental. There can be no other way. Man stepping out another hot shot. Devastating, we don't play. If a gunshot, then a gunshot. There can be no other way. Stepping out another hot shot. We don't play. If a gunshot, then a gunshot. There can be no other way. This is off the table. Fuck it, we don't play. While we're running fast, there can be no other way. No negotiation. Now run down a station. Rude boy and bad man. No need probation. Man stepping out another hot shot. Devastating, we don't play. If a gunshot, then a gunshot. There can be no other way. Stepping out another hot shot.
I'm alone there, so I wait for Killer to say, well! Remember when Killer started film verse from your year? Well!
We don't play. If a gunshot, then a gunshot. There can be no other way. Peace is off the table.
Them get me skull at and not stable. Why are them and no cable? Me race a clip them face a chip them face.
Killer say, why are them on a cable? No. Why are them... Fine, see.
Can be no other way. Peace is off the table.
Them get me skull at and not stable. Why are them and no cable? Me race a clip them face a chip them face a fridge. Me case rapid like water where you running at the place you live. This your grave you dig when the general talk no chat no give.
Killer floor.
Got them and no cable. Me race a clip them face a chip them face a fridge. Me case rapid like water where you running at the place you live. This your grave you dig when the general talk no chat no give. Rise everything and get the place on. Corona bring lumina love blood stained. Them want come out of them house and off his stand up. A funeral of he go keep every week.
Hey boy, you want come out the house and have to steal that blood clot. Hey boy, how you ramping? Worry the warlord, I'm the wall of the blood clot general youth. Hey, cool.
Want come out of them house and off his stand up. A funeral of he go keep every week. No peace if them this pop off the piece and give them 3 piece. Slipping like
No peace if them this pop off the piece and give them 3 piece. I want the blood clot, yeah.
No peace if them this pop off the piece and give them 3 piece. Slipping like hard shot gonna eat seat. Youngster in a B street. System badness deep. Rolling in front police jeep.
Man says system badness deep. If you don't know system badness, I don't know where general attack.
Youngster in a B street. System badness deep. Rolling in front police jeep.
Man stepping out another hot shot. Devastating, we don't play. If a gunshot, then a gunshot. There can be no other way. Stepping out another hot shot. We don't play. If a gunshot, then a gunshot. There can be no other way. Peace is off the table.
Miami and Kingston, stepping harder than a hot shot. When them sound boy I violate, we call for copper shot. Spanglers.
Stepping out another hot shot.
Sea view.
Rise everything and get the place hard.
Blood clot to them boy, man. Yo! Only bumbuckler Khaled. Only Khaled can pull off this, bro. Khaled, dig up your bumbuckler self. Yo! Talk about the first song. Sick. Big up the ladies, them. Big up every single ladies we're in this. Big up the artists, them. Rich verse Funo though. Rich, who take the first song verse? What, like which verse Funo? Which verse Funo? Who take it? Second song with Buju and Killer. Bomba clad. Killer rip up that, bro. Killer tear up, bro. Killer not normal. Anyway, I want to kill that, bro. Only Khaled alone can do this shit. I could have do this shit. So big up yourself, Khaled. Yeah, big up yourself, blood clot, Khaled. Another one. Blood clot. Hey, boy. Me say, I don't need to drop a like for the stream, for the video. I know stream. You know video different from stream. Yeah, idiot. Alright, hear me, I said, man. I'll link it in the comment section. I'm a second reaction channel that. Get a sub. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Let me know what you think. Peace.
Vybz! I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.